How to plan for education expenses after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. When you're going through a divorce and you have children, one of the most important financial topics to plan for is education expenses. Whether your child is in preschool or headed to college, the cost of education can add up quickly. And if you don't have a clear agreement in place, it can lead to confusion or conflict later on. Start by identifying what types of education costs you need to plan for. This might include private school tuition, tutoring, school supplies, extracurricular activities, college savings, or future tuition payments. Once you've mapped that out, talk with your ex about how these costs will be covered going forward. In California, basic educational expenses are generally considered part of child support, but things like private school, college tuition, or extracurricular fees usually require a separate agreement. You and your ex can agree to share these costs equally, split them based on income, or create a custom plan that works for both of you. But the key is to get it in writing as part of your divorce judgment or parenting agreement. Also consider setting up a 529 college savings plan or a separate account for future education expenses. It's important to decide who will contribute, who controls the account, and how the funds will be used. Making those decisions now can avoid confusion and disputes down the road. We worked with a couple who had a young child in private school and wanted to ensure their child could stay there post-divorce. We helped them draft a clear agreement that covered tuition, uniforms, books, and even summer programs, so both parents knew exactly what to expect and what they were responsible for. That level of clarity gave them peace of mind and helped them focus on co-parenting, not arguing about money. At Divorce 661, we help you go beyond just the legal paperwork. We help families think through long-term planning, like education costs, and build agreements that are fair, practical, and easy to follow. If you're navigating divorce and want to make sure your child's education stays on track, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you create a plan that protects your child's future and gives you clarity moving forward.